Before you learn the 6 phase changes, you must first understand the states of matter that are undergoing the phase changes. First we have the solid. It is the most dense phase of a substance. It is the coolest, the most dense, and holds a fixed shape. Next is the liquid. This is described as a fluid that will always flow with gravity to the lowest point and will fit the shape of a container that it is within. Lastly, we have the gas phase. This is the least dense phase of matter with the most energy. The gas molecules are the most spread out, and a gas will fill the whole consolidated space that it is within. The phase changes are evaporation, condensation, freezing, melting, also known as fusion, sublimation, and deposition. Now, to better understand the 6 phase changes, we can use a phase change diagram. In this diagram, you can see that the x-axis is labeled with heat energy. This represents the amount of heat and energy that is required to change phases and sustain that phase. The y-axis is labeled with temperature. This is because it represents the temperature at which each state of matter exists. Lines A, C, and E on the diagram represent an individual state of matter that is stated. However, lines B and D are different. These lines represent a certain temperature where 2 states of matter can exist at the same time. Line B represents solid and liquid, whereas line D represents liquid and gas. Now, in order to phase change from solid to liquid, or liquid to gas, an extra amount of heat energy is required. This is called the heat of fusion and the heat of vaporization.